Greetings! Today we are making apple and lychee wine. This wine is light, refreshing, perfect for summer's evenings, picnics and barbecues. It's well worth making in the autumn, and by the time summer comes, it will be ready and perfect for you to enjoy. So let's get on with the recipe. The first thing we need is your big fermentation bucket, and into that we are going to pour in 1.2 kilograms of granulated sugar. And then we need to dissolve the sugar by pouring over 2 litres of boiling water. So pour that straight on top of your sugar and give it a really good stir. And now we are going to pour in 2 litres of apple juice, ideally the type without any preservatives in. So pour in your apple juice on top of your sugar solution. This recipe really is as quick as this and as easy as this. Now onto the special ingredient that really brings life to this apple wine. The lychees really bring out an exotic oriental flavour and taste on the wine, and also a big burst of floral aroma on the nose. So we won't be adding a 560 gram tin of lychees into the mix. The syrup as well. I bought this tin off Amazon because I couldn't find it in any supermarkets up here. So I'll link this tin down below in the comments if you have trouble finding lychees. So pour in the lychees and the syrup into your mix. And now we want to simply give this another really good stir, get everything mixed in and being hunky-dory. Pour in the juice of 1 lemon and a tea bag for the tannin, and top it up with another litre of cold water to bring the temperature right the way down. I love recipes that are so quick and easy to come together. You grab your bucket, you throw in 2 or 3 different flavours, and they come out to be brilliant. This will really blow your expectations of what a summer wine is, so definitely give it a go. And now we need to be adding a sprinkle of pectolase, about a teaspoon's worth, and some high alcohol wine yeast or general purpose yeast. It depends on what you fancy using, but I find a high alcohol yeast with nutrients works fantastically with this wine. So sprinkle in the sachet of yeast. And now we just need to put the lid on top of your bucket, set it aside in a warm place for the next 5-7 days. Let those lychees seep out their lovely juicy fruitiness into the flavour of the apple and the sugar. It will ferment, it will become fervid, it will become divine, and the aroma in your room where you're brewing it will be fantastic. And then I'll be back and we'll carry on with this so simple lychee and apple wine recipe. So I'll be back in a few days' time. Fantastic! Greetings, welcome back. 5 days have passed since the apple juice and the lychees and that wonderful sugar have been sat in the bucket fermenting, having a real right proper party in there. It is smelling and looking fantastic. It's looking awesome. This represents the height of Oriental summer with those lychees and the apples. It's fresh, it's crisp, it is, you try this, you make it, and you'll be so impressed. So what we need to do now to progress with this recipe is scoop those lamb's eyeballs out. You just need to get yourself a sieve and scoop, scoop, scoop until everyone is away. Otherwise, they will block up your funnel. No one likes a blocked up funnel. And then it is simply pour in your lovely, crisp, sweet, tasty, fantastic wine into your demijohn. And now we want to insert a clean airlock straight into your demijohn. I was lucky enough to have some surplus juice. Wine must. So we have to have a taste, don't we? Wow, 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 wow. Those lychees really carry a good kick with them. It's tropical, it's fruity. That is divine. It's like running through an autumn orchard with those apples who've fallen onto the ground and started to decompose and rot and give off that lovely, rich, fruity, alcoholic aroma underfoot as you step on them. The lychees carry such a brilliant, powerful flavour to the wine. It is a wine and a half to make. It's going to be fantastic for summer's barbecues, summer garden parties, summer evenings in the sun. Sipping this. You will love this wine when you come to make it. And what we need to do now is set this demijohn aside in a warm place to let it carry on fermenting until it's done. Then rack it off, put it in a cool place and mature it until it is lovely and clear. So next summer, you will have an awesome, epic, really fruity, tropical wine to impress all of your friends. Winemaking is all about experimentation. So try this wine. You will love it. And I think as well, you will also love this video up by here with another brilliant wine recipe. You have fun now, and I'll see you all really soon. That is good.